Hey YouTube, wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today what we're gonna do, we're gonna replace our front grille on this Toyota Corolla. I don't know what bite it up, maybe dog or something bite it up. And this bumper look like they changed it. You can see the color different. Yeah, you can see it, and look like an aftermarket bumper, so it's not really fitting well. But what we're gonna do is remove the bumper to get to the grille. So let's do that. So we're gonna need our hood to be open on this one, and these clips we gotta push them through just like that. Push it through just like that. So once we push it through like that, we can pick them up now, because that's how you got to do it. You got to push them through first, then pick them up just like that. You get the drift. And if you want, this tool is going to be a clip puller. So we just need to take up this little black plastic piece. So that's why you see me remove all the clip to take these up, to reveal these screws, because these screws in the front help hold the bumper. And I don't know if that's how that's supposed to look, because it looked like somebody been in here, but we have to take off the front bumper. So guys, these are the clips that Toyota bring on the front bumper. You just want to kind of get this in here, twist it up like that, and you get it loose. Take it out like that. We got to do the same thing for this right here, and we get this loose. So basically it's gonna be the same thing on both sides. So whatever you see me do over here, I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. We have this small clip right here that we gotta take out with a flathead screwdriver. Get that out. So now, alright, so now since we're taking off the bumper, we need to remove everything that's touching the bumper. So the fender liner, we gotta do it on both sides. So now we can just hold the bumper, pull on it just like that. So now we can see that it's coming loose so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and raise the V club, take off what's underneath the bumper. So now we need to remove this, but it's missing that, but it's missing that also, missing that as well, and this, and this, and this. We need to remove that, and then the bumper is free to come off once you remove out the top too. Alright, so we get everything loose. Let's see if we can pull the bottom of the bumper now. Take this part out. And now we can pull the bottom of the bumper just like this. So now we gotta go at the top now and take off the front from the top. So guys, we're gonna need to remove this 10mm right here. I'm not sure about these. Yo, look at this. People really do some Mickey Mouse work. This is a horrible body job work, bro. That's just crazy. I guess that's how I'm gonna have to put it back, but normally it's just a clip right there. So I guess I'm gonna have to take off these right here. Seems to be Phillips. I don't even think that's how this should come. Maybe it should look like this. But then again, it's my first time taking it off. Even though somebody been in this one, so alright guys, it look like we should be ready to get off. So I guess the radar gotta unplug, and then we're gonna remove this 10mm right here, and I guess the radar come off with the bumper. And we have this clip we gotta take off. You see this clip behind the bumper right here? You gotta lift up and pull back on it, and then the bumper gonna come off. Alright, so let me do that. Alright guys, so now we got the bumper off. It's time to start taking off the grill. So you want to put your bumper down on something. I got that down there. I got a mat so I don't scratch any part of it. So now I can tilt it over and work on it from that way. So guys, we're gonna have some Phillips screws. We're gonna have one there, one here. One's supposed to be there, but that's missing. And then we're gonna have these clips that we gotta squeeze. We gotta squeeze in like this and push out to take out the grill, okay? I'm gonna give you a closer look on those clips too as well. So guys, we remove our screws and now we just have these, so we just gotta squeeze this and push down on them. So we're gonna squeeze this in, push down on it just like that, squeeze that in, push down, squeeze this, push down on it. So that's what I'm gonna do. And with each push down, you will notice the grill come loose. I don't know if your fingers can push it like mine. You can use a flathead if it's hurt your finger or anything. And this one up here, I gotta get a screwdriver to do that. Get through there. now we can take out the grill just like that. Get one time for the thumbnail. So guys, we have our new grill right here. We just want to match it up to make sure it's the same design. It looks the same so far. So far it looked the same without the dog bites, or the bite mark I should say. I don't know what bites it, if it's a dog or what, but something get it. You can see right here. See this right here. So yeah, look the same pretty much. So we want to line up all the clips. We want to make sure all the clips line up. Remove this. We want to make sure all the clips line up before you even put one clip in. Make sure all line up and then you can put it in. So we line up all the clips together. And then we can start putting them in. Once you do it like that, guys, it's just gonna go right in, okay? So guys, every time I put in this side, that side over there popped out. So what I do is I just put the screws in this side, and then I'm gonna finish over here now. So alright guys, so we have everything back together. What we're gonna do is put on the front bumper back. So now we gotta do the same thing to the other side. So guys, we just we put back this already. You can see everything there that we took off. We put back the sensor. Make sure you plug that back in, or else you're gonna have a warning light, and that's gonna cost you more than just a grill, because you're gonna have to pay to reprogram to calibrate the sensor and all. So make sure you plug that in before you go any forward. Alright, so that's done. Just gotta get back our clips. So these clips, we gotta reset them now. So we gotta push them back up like this, and then we're gonna put it in, and then push it flush. Once we push it flush, that's good. Alright, we're gonna do that for everything. Alright guys, so you can see it's coming together real nice. The top part is done. We just gotta lift the side up and finish the side, and then we're gonna do the bottom. So we're gonna lift the car up and go underneath. So you can see have everything looking right. So put it back, catching back these screws now, and then I'm gonna finish up on the other side. But you just gotta reverse the process of what you did, and you'll be all right. So pretty much the car look like it's ready to drive. All right guys, so right now we finished everything. I'm just gonna leave the car here because it's the end of my work day, but the car is finished, it's good to go. But the customer not gonna pick it up until Monday, so I'm just leaving it right here on the lift. But yeah, peace out, see you next time.